I have seen the sea in every mood, the restless tides that churn and feud, bullied by the moon's two faces. I know its curses, fear its graces. Now blue and bright, with gentle breeze, to tip the caps while currents tease forth spindrift dreams. The surf's caress with sun-gilt fingers does love profess. Then the surge comes, gray and gloaming, breaks the storm, the waves are foaming, turgid tearing by ocean's lash, the rack of passion's seaside crash. They ebb and rise and then subside, but one thing sure I know of tides, that for the shore they both do reach, and tamed are always by the beach.